Welcome to my kitchen. You're cooking with Gigi today, and I have a very, very special chef in the kitchen today. One of my guest chefs is Marigay McKee.
What I was thinking of doing today is the McKee Christmas stew with some nice beef, some fresh potatoes, carrots, onions, a little bit of wine.
So in this dish, we're having carrots. We have these beautiful organic carrots over here.
So the beef has been diced into
Beautiful cubes. And this is just a cubed beef that we got at the butcher.
beautiful cubes. We look like we're doing a cubist painting here, in fact. So,
I love going to London and to England, but back in the day, the food was not so great. Now there's just amazing food everywhere.
Now England has become a bit of a foodie place.
I
am
know.
not
I
a
just
good
got
cook.
back from there, and it was amazing. One of my favorite places is Ottolenghi.
Oh, yes.
So do you salt and pepper that before, or?
I do as I'm going. So
Okay.
I've put a little bit of olive oil. I've put some salt. And the trick is not to put too much olive oil, but also not to put too little in, because then you don't want any of the pieces of meat to burn. I'm going to do the onions.
Okay.
I'm going to do probably maybe, I think we'll do half of that.
Okay, perfect. So that's probably one onion we just put in there.
Yeah.
6 carrots I just diced that weren't
Perfect.
giant. Can I put
So
them in now?
we can just sprinkle them in, that's right.
And then
Okay.
we probably won't have time to sit here while this cooks all down, but how long would you recommend cooking this?
So normally I
And
would
then
cook
the
this.
potatoes.
I would cook this for 30 to 45 minutes,
Okay.
depending on the heat and depending on the size of the pan.
So what do you serve at Christmas though? Do you serve this the night before, or what's your
Do you know what? This
traditional?
is like for something for like Boxing Day.
Oh, okay.
Something for like.
In case you don't know that, that's the day after Christmas.
It's the day after Christmas. It's called Boxing Day because
Right.
people used to have to get all the boxes
Boxes
together
out.
from Christmas Day and throw out all the cardboard, and that's why it's called Boxing Day. It's got nothing to do with actual boxes in here. Is sometimes what I do is I'll put the potatoes, I'll boil them a little bit
Oh,
in the pan with a bit of butter.
Oh, okay.
And when they start to
Get soft?
get soft, then I put them in here. You know, when I first moved to New York and I saw people's apartments, I'm like, where do they cook? And the realtor looked at me and she said, cook? Who cooks? We take out. And
I would
was
rather
like,
cook
oh
an
my
egg
goodness.
because I can't ever decide what I want to eat takeout, so it's more stressful for me.
So here you go. I
oh
put
wow,
in, I
that's
cooked
so-
quite a lot in, but
That was a good, what, cup and a half?
a cup and a half.
Yeah.
And look at it, and then it just, everything sort of starts to go a little bit more pink.
Okay.
And it starts to cook in this. You see them.
All right, well, we'll let
Really
that cook
gets
down
the
for a bit.
flavors. Yeah,
Okay.
exactly.
I really appreciate Marigay coming over. She has so little time to spare, but teaching me her tradition and her Christmas dish today. So thank you so much.
Well, thank you for letting me come and do McKee Christmas stew.